Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make labels in LibreOffice Writer. So if you want to do it, first you need to open a LibreOffice and then you need to go to the left upper corner and you need to click on File. After that you need to go to New and then you need to click on Labels. So I click on it. Now we need to type here a text, for example, simple label. I need to select database, for example, bibliography. I'm going to change the brand for Avery A4 and type maybe to Avery rectangle sticker. So I click on it. Now I need to go to options and it is very important to select here entire page and we need to click on this one option, synchronize contents. Then we need to click new document. So now labels have been successfully created here. It is included on entire page. So now, for example, I will bold this text, and if I would like to synchronize all changes, we need to click synchronize labels and it will be changed for each label. The same situation, if I would like to center a text, I need to select the text, I need to click center, and then I need to click synchronize labels. And now if I would like to insert image, I need to click enter and I need to go to insert image. I click on it. And now I need to select image that I want to use. For example, I select this one image and I click open. Now we need to change dimensions of this image, maybe to this one. And then I can click synchronize labels to make changes to all labels. And remember that you can always change the style of labels if you want. You need to click on the line, then you need to click right mouse button and you need to go to properties. Now you can edit here position and size, borders. For example, I will add all 4 borders here. I can change style maybe to this one, thin, thick, large gap. I can change color, for example, I set here green or lime, and then I click OK. And how you see, it really works. So if I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it's a software problem.